My grandparents have been married for 60 years. They've built a life full of precious memories. For their 60th anniversary, we wanted to bring these memories to life. We wanted to find some way to celebrate this milestone together. Lucky for us, we found VidDay.
We raise our glasses in a toast to the two of you. Happy anniversary. Love you.
With VidDay, we invited friends and family from around the world to join in a memorable video tribute. I was able to easily collect video messages from everyone.
Happy 60th anniversary.
I want to congratulate you.
Happy 60th anniversary.
People shared stories that I've never heard before.
6 decades ago, you said we do.
The fondest memory was going to the hall.
I remember I was 8 years old.
We collected pictures I had never seen before. My grandparents loved watching their VidDay. They laughed. They cried. They couldn't believe that we were able to put a video like this together. It was so much more than a slideshow. It was a love story.
Thank you for creating such an amazing family that I am proud to say is mine.